What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this look, this is day 2 hair of my wash and go. You know, very moisturized, very healthy looking, very curly, all that good stuff. Then keep watching. All right, you guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm starting off with hair that's been deep conditioned. I let the deep conditioner sit in with the back on top of my head, you know. This is the deep conditioner that I'm using. The deep conditioner was just one that I've had under my sink for a while. So I was like, let's just use this deep conditioner today. So I went ahead and used the rest of it because I've used it in the past. So the method we're doing today is the bowl method. This is a method that I first saw on Rachaelcpr's channel. I think the oldest video I've seen dating to it is maybe like 8 months or maybe like up to a year or something like that. It's not really... I don't really see like a bunch of very old videos about it, so I guess it's relatively new. So basically the method is just to reuse the same water that you're using to rinse the deep conditioner, and she actually uses it for her regular conditioner as well, to use it as a leave-in conditioner. Rinse the conditioner out of your hair and reuse the same water that you just rinse your conditioner out of your hair with. So basically it's just supposed to help you retain all the moisture and water in your hair and all that good stuff that the conditioner is doing for your hair without rinsing it all the way out. So when she does this technique, she actually leaves it in, and that's her leave-in conditioner, and she does her styling in the bowl as well. She said she's recently like added her gels and stuff into the bowl as well, but today I'm only trying the deep conditioner. I actually really feel like I like this method. This is like the second time I've done it. I tried it before this, and I feel like I can really get somewhere with it. I sat in the bowl did the technique for about 5 minutes, and it's basically just rinsing your hair out. I didn't buy another bowl because I have a sink, and I was like, that's a bowl. So I filled it just with water and used the water out of the sink. Just clean the sink out before you use it, so you don't have like, I don't know, whatever you have in your sink. I don't know. Just clean it out before you put your hair in it, and then clean it out when you're done. At the end of doing this, I actually let the water out of the sink and put in fresh new water just to rinse my hair one more time to make sure I didn't have too much conditioner in my hair left that would impact the way my styling process or the way my products for my styling would apply. Now that my hair has been rinsed, I'm getting ready to style my hair. So the products I'm using today are the Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Moisture Mist, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm using a bag over my head. I actually picked this up from Chocolex. So basically it's just to help keep the moisture in. I never thought about doing that before. It was a little difficult with the bag once I got to the top of my hair, but I think it'd be a little bit better if you actually had like a shower cap. So first I'm applying the mist, then I'm going back and applying the leave-in conditioner, and on top of that, I'm smoothing the curl smoothie down my strands. I really prefer the rake method just because it kind of saves me a little bit of time doing my hair, and every now and then, if there's pieces that I feel like need a little bit more love and care, I will go back on top and shingle them. Okay, so we have our products all on now. What I'm going to do is put my hair under this dryer. I don't have the hood dryer because I don't need a hood dryer. I don't have the space for that. I don't be wanting to carry that. So I just got a little attachment for my blow dryer. I went back and diffused my hair with my Dyson diffuser. I blow dried I started off on the second heat setting, but it was a little actually too hot. So I brought it down to the first heat setting, and I was on the second strength, like 1 strength setting, I guess like medium speed. Okay, so the diffusing took about 10 minutes. My time on my camera says 10 minutes, and I actually stayed under the slip-on dryer for about 15 minutes. I tried to stay until it was like mostly dry, like half to 3/4 dry, just to like get my shape, like I guess set the top of it. And I use that one because I don't have the other one. I've had the other, like, you know, the hard wood dryer, the hard top, shell top dryer. If I had that one, I would probably use that one, but I don't have that one, so I just use the one that I bought from the beauty supply store. Usually if I had somewhere to go, I would pick my hair out, but actually I'm not gonna do that today because it's actually the end of the day, kind of. It's almost 5 p.m. and I already went to school earlier, so I don't have anything else to do tonight, so I'm not gonna pick it out, just so I can, you know, get the most out of my wear, I guess. Okay, so you guys can see, so you guys, oh, my eyebrows, don't look too close. So you can see the definition in my hair. It's pretty amazing. There's like a slight cast because I used the gel, but I don't mind because I live in South Florida, and if you know, it's really humid down here, so that's the reason why I added the gel in the first place, because I know without it, I did the same routine last week without the gel, and my hair was actually like getting a little bit frizzy and very poofy by like day 3. So try the gel out and see what that does to the definition, and see how much longer it can last with the gel. All right, yeah, that's enough. So I'll show you guys tomorrow I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys what the day 2 hair looks like, so you can really, you know, get an idea of, you know, what this combination is gonna do for you. All right, you guys, it is the next day. If you want to see my nighttime routine for my hair, do stay tuned, because I do have a video coming for a week in my natural hair. So here I am, just sort of picking my hair out and getting ready for the morning, and yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can watch more natural hair videos by me. Bye.